Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with a 3-day only Dollar General sale. This sale is titled Budget Stretcher 3-day sale and it starts Thursday, February 13th through Saturday the 15th. Up first, we have deals on food and beverage, and these items, some of them do have coupons, so let's hop right in. Up first, we have your 6-pack of Pepsi or Mountain Dew. They are $3.95 on sale during this 3-day sale. We have your Takis, which are buying 2 of them and paying $6. Up next, you can get the Java Monster Energy drink, and they are 2 for $5. This next one, you're going to buy 1 Rice Krispies cereal, and you're going to get the Jet Puffed Marshmallows for free. For this one, we have your 2 for $4 on the 64-ounce Lipton teas. There's assorted varieties, but we have a 3 off when you spend 10 coupon. It's not a bad deal if that's what you drink. We also have 2 for $5 on the Dunkin' iced coffees, assorted varieties. You have to buy 2 in order to get the sale price. Then we have $3.25 on Oreo cookies, and there's assorted varieties, but we also have a $3 off when you spend 9 on those Nabisco items. Up next, we have deals on household items. The first one we have here is the Airwick Essential Oils Assorted Scents. They are regularly $12. They will be $9, but there's a $5 coupon. We have buy one, get one free on the 18-gallon storage totes. You have to buy 2. Obviously, you're going to get 1 free, so why wouldn't you? $4 on the True Living paper plates. This is the 38 count. Then we have $4 for the True Living Essential Prints paper towels. This is the 6-roll pack. Up next, buy one, get one 50% off on Brony paper towels. These are regularly $5. Our next and final set of deals during this 3-day sale is going to be on apparel. So the first one we have is $5 for the ladies' Valentine's sweatshirts or joggers, which are the pants. They're normally $8. And lastly, we have instantly save $3 when you spend $12 on Hanes underwear and undershirts. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know if you're going to be going for anything during this sale. Saturday is a good day to stack up with that 5 off 25. You can find us on Facebook, Telegram, and rolloutsavings.com. I want to thank you for being here with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.